and welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I will show you how to log in to Chase Bank account. Chase Bank is the national bank headquartered in Manhattan, New York City. It constitutes consumer and commercial banking subsidiary of the US multinational banking and financial services holding company. To log into Chase, go to your web browser and type chase.com. and enter. Soon after that, you'll reach the official web page of Chase Bank. To log in, enter your username after clicking the sign in button. Enter your username. Now enter the password. If you want yourself to be remembered, then click on the Remember Me box. If you have forgotten your username and password, click on Forgot Username or Password. If you don't have an account, then you can click on Not Enrolled or Sign Up Now. After you provided everything required, click on Sign In button. And that is it. Soon after you do that, you will be logged into your Chase account. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I hope it was of some help to you. If you think so, give it a thumbs up. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for instant notification whenever we post a new video. I'll see you soon with more videos.